Hello children, today we are going to derive lens maker's formula. This is a convex lens. We place a point object on principal axis at u distance. This lens forms the image at I. The final image will be formed at I. NA, NB are the refractive indices of first medium and second medium, that is lens. R1, R2 are the radius of curvature of convex surface and concave surface respectively. And here there will be 2 times refraction takes place to form the final image. Here there will be 2 times refraction takes place to form final image at I. So let me discuss the first refraction or the refraction at first surface or convex surface. Refraction at first or convex surface. So here this is the first surface, first refracting surface or convex surface. Here we have the object, and this convex surface or first refracting surface forms the image of this object at Q. Forms the image of this object at Q at V dash distance. At V dash distance. Light ray travels from first medium to second medium, that is NA is the refractive index of the first medium, NB is the refractive index of the second medium, and R1 is the radius of curvature of the convex surface. Let us write these values. So first medium N1 is equals to NA. First medium refractive index N1 is equals to NA. Second medium refractive index N2 is equals to NB, and the object distance UV equals to minus U, because it is measured in the opposite direction of incident ray, and image distance V is equals to V dash, and radius of curvature R is equals to R1. Substitute all these values in curved surface formula. Substitute all these values in curved surface formula, that is N2 by V minus N1 by U equals to N2 minus N1 by R, equation 1. So substitute all these values in equation 1. Then we get NB by V dash minus NA by minus U is equals to NB minus NA by R1. Minus by minus we get plus. Consider it is equation number 2. Now here we are ignoring the second refracting surface. Whenever we are discussing about the refraction at first convex surface or first refracting surface, whenever we are discussing refraction at first refracting surface or convex surface, we ignore second refracting surface or concave surface. Next we are going to discuss the refraction at second surface or concave surface. In this case we ignore the first one, we ignore the first refracting surface, we ignore the convex surface. Actually this light ray is, this is due to, this line is due to first refracting surface. This is due to first refracting surface, but it will be bent or refracts due to second refracting surface. So due to second refracting surface, actually this line is belongs to first refracting surface, but this will be bent due to second refracting surface, and for second refracting surface Q act as object. Q act as object and I is image of this object. I is image of this object. So that means the image formed by first refracting surface is at Q of the object O. The image formed by first refracting surface at Q of the object O. That means for the first refracting surface, O is object, Q is image. Now the second refracting surface forms the image at I of the object Q. The second refracting surface forms the image at I of the object Q. That means for the second refracting surface, Q is object, I is image. Q is object and I is image. That means, and here the light ray travels from this medium to this medium. That means the refractive index of the first medium N1 is equals to NB, and the refractive index of the second medium N2 is equals to NA. For the first refracting surface, the light ray travels from A medium to B medium, that is refractive index NA to refractive index of NB. Here for the second refracting surface, the light ray travels from B medium to A medium, that means refractive index NB to NA. So N1 is the refractive index of the first medium here, NB, and N2 is the refractive index of the second medium, that is NA. Now object distance V dash, image distance V is equals to V, and radius of curvature R equals to R2. Here we have taken negative sign. So for the convex surface, radius of curvature should be taken as positive. For the concave surface, the radius of curvature should be taken as negative. Okay, substitute all these values in equation 1. Then we get NA by V minus NB by V dash is equals to NA minus NB by minus R2. Therefore NA by V minus NB by V dash, take common minus in numerator, NB minus NA by minus R2. Minus minus will get cancelled. Then NA by V minus NB by V dash is equals to NB minus NA by R2. Consider it is equation number 2. Now add second equation and third equation. Add second equation and third equation. Then NB by V dash, these two terms will get cancelled. NB by V dash by NB by V dash get cancelled. Therefore we get NB by V dash terms will get cancelled. Then we get NA by V plus NA by U is equals to, take common NB minus NA, so NB minus NA take common, we get 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Now take common NA here, NA, or divide on both sides with NA. Then we get 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to NB by NA minus NA by NA into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Here NA by NB will get cancelled, we get 1 here. Next, applying sign convention rules. Applying sign conventions to the first diagram. The object distance should be taken as minus U, that is minus 1 by U, and the image distance should be taken as positive, that is 1 by U, and here we can write NB by NA as NBA. NBA. NB by NA can be written as NBA minus 1 into 1 by R1. For convex surface, radius of curvature should be taken as positive. For concave surface, the radius of curvature should be taken as negative. So here NBA is nothing but NB by NA. That means this indicates refractive index of the second medium, that is lens, with respect to first medium, that is surrounding medium. So this indicates refractive index of the lens with respect to surrounding medium. We know that 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by F, that is lens formula. So we can write 1 by F is equals to, here I am writing NBA as N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So here N is absolute refractive index of lens. Here N is equals to NBA, which indicates absolute refractive index of lens. So this 1 by F is equals to N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 indicates lens formula.